How to change App Store country or region on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your App Store country or region on iPhone or iPad. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your App Store. Make sure that you're logged in into your Apple account. After that, you can then head over to your profile icon on the top right corner. And after you tap on it, you will see your account section. Tap on your account on the top. After you tap on it, you'll be redirected to your account settings. After you're on your account settings, there you'll find an option called country/region. Simply tap on it. And after you tap on it, it will take you to this section where you will be able to change your country or region. So all you have to now do is choose the country or region that you want. And after you tap on it, after you select it, you will then have to agree to your terms and conditions. Now also, just tap on continue after that and then agree to the terms and conditions on the top right. After you do that, you can then add a payment method if you want, or you can simply add a payment method. And after you do that, tap on done, and your country or region on your iPhone or iPad's App Store will get changed. And it's basically that simple. And that's all for today's video as well, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.